Welcome back to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the REDSEC error in Battlefield 6 that says Secure Boot is not enabled on your PC. First, we need to confirm the current Secure Boot status. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and type msinfo32, then press Enter. A system information window will open. Look for Secure Boot state and check if it says Off. Also, make sure the BIOS mode says UEFI. If it does not say UEFI, this fix will not work until your system is converted to UEFI. Next, we will enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Restart your PC and enter the BIOS using its key. It depends on your motherboard manufacturer. Once you are inside the BIOS, use your keyboard or mouse to find the Boot or Security tab. The layout depends on your motherboard. Look for an option called Secure Boot and change it from Disabled to Enabled. Save the changes before exiting. After that, enable TPM 2.0. In the same BIOS menu, look for Trusted Computing or Security Settings. If you have an Intel CPU, this may be called PTT. If you have an AMD CPU, it is usually called fTPM. Enable it, then save and exit. When your PC restarts, launch the game again. The REDSEC error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.